Today's math lesson is lesson 10. It is on finding the area of rectangles. I'm going to do number 3 from their homework. It is a word problem that says a garden box has a perimeter of 27.5 feet, and we know that the length is 9. We're trying to figure out the area of the garden box. Well, we know that area is length times width. And we know that this is a garden box, which is a rectangle. We know that the length is 9. So in a rectangle, we know that both the lengths together, if you add the two lengths together, that's 18. Now we know that the perimeter around the whole entire rectangle is 27.5 feet. So if you know that, all you have to do to figure out the width is take the whole perimeter, subtract it from the two lengths, and if you do that, you'd get 9.5. So now you have two widths, here and here, that would be a total of 9.5. So that means you have to take the two widths, 9.5, and divide them by 2, because there's two of them. So if you would do that, you'd get 4 3/4. So now you know that this width is 4 3/4, and this width is 4 3/4. Now we know that the area of a rectangle is length times width. So we're going to take our length times our width, and when we do that, length times width, we will get the area of the rectangle. The way we learn this in class is multiply the whole numbers first. So 9 times 4 is 36. Then take the length and do it just times the fraction. And 9 times 3/4 would be 27/4, which is equal to, as a mixed number, what's 27/4 over there, Declan?
27/4 is 6 3/4.
So that'd be 6 3/4. Thank you. And so then you'd add those two together. 36 plus 6 is 42, and then add the fraction on. So your area is 42 3/4 of this rectangle.